Welcome everyone to Lockpicking Central, and today I actually have a challenge for you all. This is a Master Lock number 3, and this is the Master Switch. So I have been messing around with both of this combo. You know I can pick this in probably under 15 seconds, under 30 for sure, and I can't seem to get this Master Switch to work. I have watched the video. I will post a link to the video again in this video's description, and I'll try it once more on camera just to show you. I pretty much have it down to a T of what they're doing in the video. I can't seem to get it to work, so I'm challenging you to get yourself the Master Switch and a Master Lock number 3, and guess what? The first 2 people that post a video and link it to me either on my Facebook, which I will leave in the description, or post it down in the comments. The first 2 people will get this Sparrows keychain from Sparrows Lockpicks. I will send it off to you guys. I have 3 of them here. I will be giving away another one in a separate video. Probably have another challenge somewhere down the line. But this is pretty cool. I'll give you guys some of these. They all are going to come with this little chain here. So that's something for you guys to shoot for. So let's get on with the show. And so you have these guys. These are 2 different ones. One has a little like hook talon thing. The other one's just like a spiky hook. And you're supposed to, let's see, let's get this set up a little bit better for you guys. There we go. There we go. Okay, so you're supposed to take this talon one, shove it in this bottom right side. You have the top of the keyway has to be up at the top. Like I said, I'll post a link to the video. This is pretty much identical to what they're doing. So putting this in here, and you put it all the way in the back, and you can kind of feel it set in place, and you can even let go of it, and that's pretty cool. So the next one is this guy right here. This is just a hook, and you're supposed to just put it in on the bottom right, the opposite direction. So this little hump is on top, this one's supposed to be on the bottom, and you're supposed to put it in the bottom right, the very bottom here. And let's see if we can't get that to work. So we got this in there. This one is supposed to go all the way in the back. Like in the video, he has this particular one here, like almost like an eighth of an inch away from the lock. I can never get anywhere near that far. So I shove it in as far as I possibly can. I wiggle it around, and then I just start moving it up and down and wiggle it. I literally can't get either. This one should be set, but this one, I just can't get it to go all the way in. So you can see the lock here. This thing, it's definitely locked. So that's it for me. I don't know how to get that guy open, but what I will do is show you how quickly this can be opened. So we are going to go here with our double-sided tension wrench and the snake rake, and I'll show you how quickly this can be opened. Like, it's stupidly fast. Actually, this needs to come up a smidge for me to do this. It's a little too deep in here. There we go, that should be good. Alright. Let's put this guy in here, apply some tension. Actually, that won't work. You're gonna have to put it up, because there we go. Need enough to be able to open the lock. Okay, so let's bring this into camera for you guys. I'll raise you guys up a little bit. There we go. So I need to be able to turn this fully. So let's see how quickly we can get this bad boy. Oh, wrong way. There we go. And here we go. Wow, I got stuck there. Let's see if I can't do it so you guys can see the whole thing here. There we go. Push this back down. So I have noticed with these sheaths here that they do come out. That's okay though. Wow, I feel like I'm gonna break this thing. It's hard to do it at an angle like this. And there you go, open. So that is just in the more real world because it's kind of at an angle. It's hard for me to do it. I will leave a link for the video that I've picked this in like under 15 seconds as well. So it's pretty easy for me not to be able to get it with these guys. Like I said, it's a challenge for you guys. I really do hope you guys can get it, and hit that like button if you like what we're doing here. Subscribe, post a comment down below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next video.